What is up, YouTube? I want to tell you about a time when I was, well, monumentally stupid. Okay, seriously, I did something so incredibly dumb that I regret it every day since then. Well, since I figured out that I was being stupid. And then I did something stupid yet again. But I finally smartened up. I was able to start to do the right thing. And I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of passive crypto profits. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull no successfully. Well, I mean, my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. The English muffins I bought last week. Thomas's, seriously, guys, step up your game. You know, I get it. I bought them last week. Okay. But seriously, they should last more than a week. Okay. That's just common sense. You know, they're store-bought. It's not like I'm buying them fresh from a bakery or making them myself. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. And by the way, if you know the drill, feel free to skip ahead. Anyway, but if you are new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and then make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? You know, your jokes are as stale as mine. Maybe get some new ones. Can we get him a new line? Seriously, there's got to be something else in The Simpsons that he could say besides crap all the time. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is a sweetheart, and you know, she won't hold it against me that I did something stupid. I mean, you know, her boyfriend was, well, he called her stupid, right? So, you know, hey. Anyway, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so right now we are looking, this is CoinDesk. You can see the price of Bitcoin is currently, as I'm recording this video, $60,249. Okay, that's a lot of money. Okay, now check this out. I first heard about Bitcoin back in 2013, right around here or thereabouts, somewhere right around there, around when it was in, I think, October of 2013 that I first read about it, I think in PC Magazine. I've always been a geek. Okay, I'm trying to get to that spot here so you can see. Right around there was around $110, $120, something like that for Bitcoin. And, you know, I read about it in PC Magazine, I think it was, because I've always loved computers. I was always a geek. And at the time, I thought to myself, those stupid suckers, they're spending $100 to buy this thing. It's worthless. It's just a digital asset. It doesn't do anything. And I ignored it and didn't buy it at the time. And of course, it stayed flat. It made a little bit of money. So, you know, I was like, well, I could have doubled my money, I guess, but largely stayed flat. And then suddenly, in 2017, we see, whoop, went all the way up to $16,000 for a Bitcoin. You know, and that was when the Bitcoin craze started, when people were mortgaging their houses and buying Bitcoin like crazy and saying, oh my God, I have to get in on this. And at the time I was looking at it and I was like, damn, I wish I bought it when I first heard about it back in 2013. Held on to it for a few years. I'd be like super rich right now. You know, like you invest like $2,000 when it's $100 a coin, and now it's $17,000. That's a nice profit in a few years' time. And I said to myself, but the fad is over. There's no way it's gonna go way back up again. You know, it's gonna crash. And sure enough, it did crash. You can see here, went as low as $3,000. Okay, still never went down to the prices that it was going at back in 2013 when I first learned about it. But at the time I said, you know what? I see people lost a lot of money on it. I don't care. I'm not going to get in on it. And so I ignored it again. A few months back, I finally, right around, where is it? Right around here. Okay. I said, okay, I can't ignore this thing. I saw that the price dipped, and because it had been up as high as like what, like 50 something thousand dollars or something. I saw the price dip and I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to try it. So I invested a small amount of money, a very small amount, like a couple $100. I said, let me see what happens. A couple months later, my $100 had grown to about, I think, $150, $175. I saw another dip, I grabbed it, and this time I invested significantly more money. Overall, my Bitcoin investment has now grown by over 20%. And this is from March, okay? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, like about a year, not even a year. Yeah, about a year. Back in it was March of this year, not March of last year. What am I talking about? It was March of this year that I bought it. So March, April, May. Not in like 2 months, I've done 20% in 2 months. And I didn't know a damn thing about Bitcoin, by the way. I looked up a couple of articles and I just jumped in. I said, okay, the 2 months, by the way, this has been 2 months that I've done this. Not I was thinking March of last year. It was March of this year. 2 months. And I'm already up 20%. Okay, in 2 months. And you can bet that the next time I see another dip, you can bet that I am buying. Okay, when it dips to like 50 grand per Bitcoin, you can bet I'm putting more money in. All right, because I've seen what happens, that the price keeps going up. Every now and then you have these dips where people get scared and they say, oh, I gotta sell out, I gotta sell out. And so that's when you buy. Or that's what I've been told. I didn't really know much about it. All I knew was I heard buy the dip. And I've seen these joke commercials where they're selling like cheese dips at an auction house, and like, if you think this is what buy the dip means, then you need help, something like that. Anyhow, so along comes my friends Francis and Soren, okay, and they have this new course. And by the way, you get full PLR to this course. So this is not just that you're buying the course to learn about crypto profits, because that alone is worth it to me. I was like so thrilled when I was watching an entire course that really told me everything I needed to know about the crypto profits. I thought that was super cool. Okay, that really got to me a lot. But you get full PLR. You get the right to sell this thing. Okay, you can sell it, you can rename it, give it away as a bonus, do whatever you want with the thing. Okay, and check out the price. Okay, right now it's going for 15 bucks. All right, where is it? Pass it right here. It's $15.16 as I'm recording this video. It is a dime sale, so it does go up with every purchase or every few purchases. Okay, so make sure that you do get in as soon as possible. All right. Now, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, because I have the craziest custom bonus. I'm giving you access, I think it's about 60 or 70 additional courses that you can sell or give away with full PLR. So that means that you can use them as bonuses. If you want to sell this course, sell the passive crypto profits, you can sell it and use my stuff as bonuses. You can use my stuff as bonuses for other things. You get an enormous library of courses. They're all about making money and money management and things like that. So you're going to get this huge library that you can download. You can download the whole thing. You can download one at a time. There's about 60 or 70 of them. I forget exactly how many. Okay, it's already there waiting for you when you pick this up. You're going to be able to get full access to this library, and you have full PLR rights to the library. Okay, now check out, this is, here's the members area. You can see here, it's a very easy members area. It's not a ton of videos, so it's not something that's going to be a lot of work to go through. It's 9 videos to go through that you can really learn about, and they have the option to be able to download. I think this is the review copy, so I can't click. Okay, but ordinarily you can go ahead and click, and you can always, click watch video and then go and download it a different way. But I think you can just, you can actually go ahead and click in the full members area, because this is a review copy for people like me who are affiliates. So yeah, you get full rights to this course with full PLR rights. Okay, so to me that is just wild stuff. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip to the product creators or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, that was pretty obvious, right? I mean, seriously, look, this is wild. And I know from personal experience, in just the past few months, I have made a 20% profit, and I intend to keep investing because I know this actually does work. So go ahead and grab this one. This one is really, really worth it. Don't believe anybody who tells you the crypto craze is over. It's not over. I've heard people talking about Bitcoin going to $1 million a Bitcoin, okay, because there only is a very limited number of Bitcoins available. And even though it is a digital asset, it's not technically backed by anything, because of the fact that people consider it to be valuable, it is valuable. And so go ahead and grab it. This one you're going to love.